If you want to hear more about how I ended up with a twist out that was supposed to be a flat crown twist, stay tuned because this product is trash. So I want to mention that Influencer and African Pride did send me this complimentary batch of the Olive Miracle product line. It is supposed to provide moisture to your hair. It's for the thick and curly hair. So I have the pre-shampoo for detangling conditioning. I have this moisture restore curl refresher. I have some anti-breakage formula mousse, and then we have some oil that's also supposed to be anti-breakage. So it was wash day. So I was super excited about this detangling pre-shampoo product because I'm actually big on pre-shampoos, because I do have eczema on my scalp, and a lot of the time my scalp is dry and flaky, and I like to use this to detangle my hair and get through all of the hard part of trying to get through it. You will see me using a easy detangler brush. That's my go-to. I use it all the time. So this is after using it. I will say that my hair did feel very moisturized. I probably let it sit for about 20-30 minutes before actually washing it out. Because I had detangled previously, it wasn't an awful detangling process moving forward. As you can see, the easy detangling brush is quickly gliding through those coils. So we definitely appreciate that. I did feel like my hair didn't hold on to the water as much as it normally does, but we'll get into that. Unfortunately, I didn't do my hair that day. I went to sleep. So I woke up the next day, and I actually had to wet my hair again. I tried to style my hair in this crown twist that you see here. So this is just me adding some oils to my scalp because I have super dry scalp, and I want to make sure that while my hair is wet and my pores are still open, yes, I re-wet my hair, I'm able to add a little bit more moisture for the scalp. So I'm going in and I'm still continuing to put that, and you'll notice I put it on my edges. I put it all through. So I started with this mousse because I'm like, okay, mousse normally works for my crown twist to the back. You see me pinning that one side away, so I'm just trying to make sure I'm working with one section at a time, of course. Just trying to make sure we get that product evenly distributed from root to end. And this is where I should have started to realize that there was a problem. Normally, like I said, when my hair is wet, I feel like it retains a lot more water. And so when I put mousse on it, it's not necessarily poofing back up like you see my hair do right here. It's a little bit more drenched. Oh, and my husband gives me sugar in the middle of my video. Um, so yeah, I'm trying to do the twist on this one side, and really, I didn't really think it was that bad until I watched this clip back. But from what I can see in the front, okay, it looks like I'm using the right amount of tension. It looks like it's laying down properly. Um, this should be good from what I can see, right? Okay, not too bad. I can say that my fingers kind of glided through pretty decent. Like, it wasn't awful. What I didn't like here was the lack of texture with the hair that's going into the twist. And so now you see me going to the other side. And I was still trying to just make it work. But the fact that I'm still digging through my hair like that, and I got the other twist caught in there, so that was why you see me using a clip to get it out the way. All right, so we've detangled on this side, and now we're adding some of that foam over here. Um, Again, as you can see, it's kind of a foam that sits on the top of your hair. It's not really like a smoothing foam or one of those like styling foams. And maybe that's what it's supposed to be for. Like, maybe it's just one of those things that you use with some other kind of cream, like the cream that they provided here. And maybe it's not one of those styling foams. Maybe I misunderstood the assignment. It's pretty possible that I did, because Honey, as we started to do this side, I started to realize that something was not right, okay? We were not getting the normal flat crown twist that we're used to here, and I was completely over it. Now, I never expect for my edges to lay down, but I do expect for like the hair in the back to lay down a lot better. So I gave up on that, and I was like, you know what? Bump it. I'm just about to put my hair in some twists, and we'll just rock those twists out, and then I'll have it twist out later this week because I'm still working from home and no one really sees me anyway. Plus, the flat twist does require that I refresh it after a couple of days just because I don't want to look like little kids on the playground. So let me talk about like my review of the product. Like I said, I did like the pre-shampoo detangling. Um, like it was more so like a cream than it was a jelly. I like that a lot. My hair felt very moisturized after using that. The mousse, I would just recommend the mousse if I was doing like this twist out right here and I was using some other twisting curling gel or cream like I'm using now. And then I probably could have added the mousse there. I just didn't like how the mousse left my hair. It left it like sticky, and then it seemed to me that it started to like get very coarse, and it was hard to manage, and it was just difficult to deal with after that, and that's not what I'm used to. So I would have to use that mousse with other things that manage my hair well. You will see me adding the Restore conditioner and the oil later in the video, but I just want to like show you how easily I'm not even using a comb here and I'm able to get through my hair. I'm really not even using the easy detangler brush, and again, like I use it a little bit just to make sure I get the kinks out, but as you can see, I am just flying through my hair in a different way. So I don't know what it is about this particular product, but something about it does not mesh well with the chemistry of my hair. And so moving forward, I am finishing up this twist out, and I am just trying to illustrate here that African Pride foam just really did something different to my hair that I do not appreciate, and we're gonna get that out of the way and move along to adding the final two products that we discussed previously. So this is me attempting to spray on this Restore Curl conditioner. It's like a leave-in, but it doesn't work that way. So yeah, this product will bust for me, y'all.